Hey everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. They can't see your hand waving, but Michelle is waving. She's with me again. Baby cat is circling under our feet. She wants to be part of this. I've got a package in the mail for the server center testing we've been doing. Setting up experiments. I'm going to set up a home data center on a homestead and experiment with setting up a data center for DIY tube later. Make sure I got everything. I felt that paper in there. Michelle's excited. Definitely well packed. So this is an older device. I like the old equipment because it's die-hard, it's rugged. A lot of tape. Well, they definitely packed that well. Layers and layers and layers. Trying to be careful now. Getting down to it. Absolutely packed well. Now, what we have here is this is a PERC 6 E, supposed to be E, card. That does not look like E. Oh no. Oh no. That's a problem. Well, I have a nice beautiful PERC 6 I card arrived in the mail, but I needed an E. I need the external ports. That's a bummer. I need the external ports for connecting to my hard drive enclosure. Well, that's a malfunction. Looks nice though. Got another package in the mail. Also, for the hard drive enclosure, I really hope I got the right one here. Well, pause camera. So that is supposed to connect between the card that I didn't get and the hard drive enclosure. Well guys, the good news is I got the right cable. At least that plugs right in there, nice and neat. It's got thumb screws so you can fasten it right on. And then it goes in the other side. Other side goes into the server to the card that I was supposed to get. Make sure both ends are the same, because that's a big deal. There it is. Alright, we got the right cable. I'm going to order another one. I wanted to make sure I had the right one. I'm going to order another one of the exact same cable for redundancy. So we have two channels for data in case one of the controllers fails or one of the cards inside the server itself fails. But now I have to reorder and get a PERC 6 E external card so I can hook the two together. So, project on hold. Well, that's it for now, guys. That's as far as I can go. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics, getting it all together. Exciting. Talk to you later.